You're trying to get in the mode and get the thing done perfectly. But your brain literally fades away after the first 5 seconds. And then again. And then you finally get some momentum going. Then it's gone again. What if I told you you could avoid all that just by using one of the 2 simple techniques? No one talks about them, but the top performing entrepreneurs and scientists use them so that they can outcompete others and get loads of money when they work. The techniques are separated based on when you need them. You ever wanted to do deep work and get a week worth of work done in just one session? Yeah, I did too. And that's exactly why I need you to know it. But there is as well this second technique that you will need when you're in the spotlight, performing in real life. When you need that focus in the moment, for your presentation, for your speech, or for a dance. So imagine you just pressed that button, you just stepped on the stage, your speech just started, and your thoughts are just all over the place. I know what I need to say. At least I knew what I needed to say, right? That's what you're thinking. And there's people looking at me, I cannot fuck up. And this can be the exact reason why you will fuck up, because you're stressing too much. So what do you do to get your mind out of this overthinking and in the present moment really focus? It's the double inhale. And basically what you need to do is just take a very deep breath. And you can try it with me right now. Take a very deep breath. All the way in, all your lungs. And now once you're at the very top, you fill your full lungs, right? You inhaled all the air you can inhale in your lungs. You take that extra sip that can be really taken. But you take it. You go like... And then you slowly exhale. And you might be wondering, why would that work, right? But imagine this. Remember the last time someone scared you or something shocking happened? You're like, breath in the air, right? You're like, boom, air shock, boom, focus. And then after that, you were in a focus state for some time, right? So this is doing the exact same thing, but instead of someone scaring you, you make your brain focused. So you just inhale fully and then add another breath, extra breath. And you can add another small breath as well if you want to. But the main point is that you put yourself in this state. You trigger those nerves in your head to make you focus. And you can do this thing like 3, 4, 5 times, right? To really trigger your nerves to focus. Because it feels like something shocking happened, or you need to focus, or there is a situation for your life. So that's where your head will focus. And now, that was the first method. But the second one is the real sauce here. So imagine you're trying to do some deep work and really get a lot of work done and outcompete others in just one session, right? So how would you do that? Like, there's so many people on this world saying, yeah, but I work hard and I get no results. I'm a really hard working guy. I work so much hours every day. But what is the thing they're missing? Is, yes, you might work a lot, but what is your output? Because you might be working on wrong things. So every time you work, don't say, I work hard, why the fuck am I not getting anything? But instead say, what are my outputs? So every time you do the work, what are your outputs? What are the outputs of this work? Are these outputs gonna get you closer to your goals? What are the outputs? Work is defined by outputs. And once you define that, you can actually decide what do you need to hard work on to actually get closer to your goals. Then you can add leverage to that to multiply your outcome. But that is a topic for a different time. So first of all, after you decide what is your essential things to do to maximize your quality and maximize your outcome, then you can move on to the part where you need to maximize your outputs and their quality. And this is done by deep, hard work. The key point here is deep work. So how do you do deep work? There's really 3 simple steps, bro. Just 3 things you need to do every time you go do deep work. Just check them off. And if you have them all 3 checked off, you will get so much shit done in just one fucking session. So first of all, you have to put your phone away. Put it in a different room. You don't need it in the same room as you are. If you're working on Instagram uploads, you can do that from your laptop and have your laptop fully customized just for work. There is nothing else but work on your laptop, on your PC, wherever the fuck you work. Nothing else but work folders on there. Nothing else but working programs up there. Nothing else. Put the blockers on YouTube. Do whatever the fuck it takes. Just nothing else but work. That's the first one. Put your phone away. Don't let yourself be distracted by other people, right? If you're gonna check messages every time, you will be distracted and you will not get work done. And then you will question yourself, why I was working for 5 hours a day, why didn't I do anything? Because you are distracted every 5 fucking minutes. Bro, if you just put 1 hour of fucking deep focus work and then enjoy all your day talking to other people, you will get more shit done than do 5 hours of work just like, a bit on phone, oh I'm working, bit on phone, I'm working, oh notification, I don't care, right? You gotta focus. Put your phone in another room. And the second thing is, buy yourself a clock or put yourself some type of a timer. Put some app on your laptop, whatever it is, and set a timer. You know those small clock remotes it has? Yeah, you can buy one of those. Set on a timer to 1 hour and a half. And why 1 hour and a half? Because it's proven by scientists that we can focus for 90 minutes straight and still get high as fuck outputs. So 90 minutes is not a lot of time, and you might think, wait, I get distracted after 5 minutes. What the fuck will 90 minutes work? So here's the thing, 90 minutes is what humans can put quality out. But if you fucked your brain up by scrolling reels and TikToks every day, that's another thing. Now, what I want you to do in this case is start meditating. Maybe go boxing, right? Because it puts your brain in focus every single time you're in sparring. Or maybe just go with the meditation. Meditate for 10 minutes a day and progress all of that to more and more time, right? Or maybe just read a book for an hour a day and try to be as focused as possible while you read it. So this all works. But if you're gonna do deep work for 90 minutes every single day, eventually you will be able to do this 90 minutes fully focused. You won't need to meditate every day to do it, but your brain will just be trained to do 90 minutes of work. Simple as that. Oh, and by the way, you can set it to 90 minutes, right? And then after those 90 minutes, just make like a 5-minute break. Go grab a coffee. Go make yourself a coffee. Come back. Boom, straight to work. 90 minutes, coffee, boom, straight to work. Or if you feel like after 90 minutes you can still do more quality output, you can still do that work. I'm just saying 90 minutes is like the ideal time. But if you can do more, do more. If you can't do more, if you feel like you're getting a bit distracted, take a 5-minute break. Go make a coffee. Go tell, I don't know, a single story to your mother. Come back in your room. Back to work. 90-minute timer back on, let's go to work, right? And there is this another thing. If you put yourself in a room and there is no distractions, it's just you, your laptop, worksheets, and nothing else. You don't have your phone, you don't stand in front of a window, you don't have like flashy images all around you. It's just you, worksheet, laptop, camera, whatever the fuck you do. It's just you and the work. Now tell me honestly, what's your opinion on this? Do you think you're gonna be distracted? If you can't be distracted, bro, you don't have your phone to check Instagram or messages. You don't have the window to look, oh, I might build a house over there. You don't have these images to go like, oh, that's a cute one. Right, you don't have that. How are you gonna be distracted? Yes, it's true, you need willpower to make your brain focus. But if you minimize the possibility of being distracted, you're gonna do it even better, bro. You're gonna have it lightweight, easy work, bro. You won't even have an ability to be distracted. And if you see yourself getting distracted, then use willpower and don't get distracted, right? But if you remove the distractions, you will be more focused. Simple as that. And so after that, I want you to do one more thing. When you go do the work, you need to tell yourself, this 90 minutes that I just set on the timer, I'm gonna be in a deep working state. So what does this mean? You need to tell yourself, when I'm in the deep work state, I allow myself nothing else but work. So let's say you have to upload something on Instagram and you see like this cool post, but no, you're in the work state. You do not check that thing. You don't do anything. You disallow yourself. You forbid yourself to do anything else but work. You see that cool YouTube video, you wanna save it to watch later. No, you're working. What is this gonna give me? Is this gonna give me a thumbnail idea? Is this gonna give me a title idea? No, what the fuck would I do it then? You're working. You disallow yourself to do anything else but work. And don't even allow yourself to think about other stuff than work. You're working and then your brain starts thinking, oh shit, yeah, the girl, I have a date. Oh, how is this gonna look like? No! Right now I'm working. After these 90 minutes, I can think about date all day. Right? But right now I'm working. So you really need to put yourself in a deep work state. When you tell yourself you're in a deep work state and you have this timer, 90 minutes, I'm gonna be in deep work state for this 90 minutes and I have to finish this task in this 90 minutes, you're gonna double the pressure on yourself, but in a good way. Because you have 90 minutes to finish the task you just set yourself to do, and you have also just 90 minutes of deep work state, right? After this you can do whatever the fuck you want. You can go entertain yourself, you can go watch the TV, whatever. But this 90 minutes, I have to be focused. I'm in a deep working state right now. And the thing I said before, if you set yourself 90 minutes to do something, you're way more likely to get it done in 90 minutes, but you have to actually believe it. It's like the saying, Elon Musk said it, if you heard. If you give yourself 1 week to clean the room, it's gonna take you 1 week. If you give yourself 1 day to clean the room, it's gonna take you 1 day. Just keep that in your head, bro. Now, if you really implement these 3 things, you will have the best fucking deep work sessions you can imagine. Try them out and leave the comment down below. But now remember, even though you know these 3 things and the extra point I gave you earlier, you're not the only one who knows them now. But there's still a way for you to outcompete everyone out there and still achieve your dream life and crush your goals every single week. And I explained just that in this video out here, bro. Check it out. Oh, and also, embrace the pain, motherfucker!